We'll guide you through how to make decals on Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With decals, you can then go and use them across Roblox, for example, in Roblox Studio, or perhaps there's elsewhere you want to go and use it. So we'll guide you through the steps. And you can also make it so other people can go and use your decals as well. So to go and get started, come to the Roblox site, and then you need to go to the top, and there you can go and press create. On the create page, if you don't see what I'm seeing here, go to the URL address bar and make sure you're on create.roblox.com. Then you can go to the left and press creations, and you can go to the top and press development items like so. Then you can come across here and you can go and find the option for decals, and you can go and press there. And then what you can do is go and press upload asset. Now, make sure you go and check the format here and the image you want to use matches that. And you can go and check the other requirements here as well. And you can go and press upload. Now you can go and find what you want to go and use. So in this case, I want to use this one here. Select it and press open. You can then go and give this a name. I'll go and name this logo GuideRealm. Add the description, or you can change it and press upload like so. Go and wait. Roblox do go and moderate it. You can go and click on it here. And then what you can do is you can go and scroll down and you can choose who can go and use it. And you can also go and distribute it on the store if you wish. I'm not going to, and then we can press back in the top left. So to get the ID, if you hover over it, press the three dots in the top right and you can press copy as ID. That's also known as the decal ID. Alternatively, you can go and click on it and then come into the address bar on the configure page. And within this slash here, you go and see the ID. So you can always go and copy it from here as well. So that's how you can go and get the SID or the decal ID. And then you can go and put it into Roblox Studio, for example. So let me open it up. I've gone and created a part here. I want to go and add the decal too. I've added it. We've got a full guide on how you can do this. But with decal selected, let's find color map content, click on it. And in the URL, we'll then press Ctrl V to paste, press enter. And as you can see, there it is. We've now gone and added it.